Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can list Shopify products on eBay. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify store and then from the app section and from the Shopify app store, install eBay if you don't have it. And after that, after the eBay app is installed, click on the eBay app and then click on the listings button. After that, click ready to publish from the top. And now you have to select the product. Select use custom eBay title and eBay description to edit accordingly. Or if you want by default settings, then click use Shopify product title as eBay title. After that, scroll down to see the settings, policy, return policy, category details, etc. And then finally click on the save button. So that's how you will list Shopify products on eBay. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.